Presenting the Prestige Sandwich Toaster with fixed grill plates. The non-stick coated fixed grill plates require less oil while toasting and is made of high-quality die-cast aluminium. The ergonomic heat-resistant handles let you hold and use it easily. The indicator light lets you know when your grill is plugged in and when the grill is preheated and ready to use. The red light is for power or heater and the green light is for grill ready or cut off. With 800 watts power consumption, this sandwich maker is fast. The Prestige Sandwich Maker is made of heat-resistant Bakelite body, which is easy to clean and durable. Get this sandwich maker on Amazon by using various payment options. You can pay online with your debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. Pay on delivery using cash or card.